What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Today's video, we have an ASSC unboxing, or unbagging technically. We bought 3 pieces. We're not going to tell you until we actually open it, but it's 3 pieces from the billion drops that they have did this year. Like
at least 6.
I'm generally being honest. I don't think they're going to be dropping anything for like the next 6 years.
Yeah, honestly, they've been doing like in like 1 month. They did like 3 drops. They would be like announcing it one by one. It's insane.
So crazy. So they did a gigantic drop where they had like collaborations with Undefeated, CPFM, and then they also dropped a bunch of just like older collections that they had done.
Mind games.
Stuff like that. And so we're gonna be unboxing this big bag of ASSC stuff. Our address is on the back. But before we do that, I technically have 2 pickups that I do want to show you guys. By the way, I'm not going to show you guys every single thing I buy, obviously, but like sometimes if we're like having an unboxing or something, I'll just throw in stuff that I bought recently. So first thing that I bought was this white, can you hold it up?
Yeah, for sure.
Was this white, like, it's a lot fancier. It's like a fancy t-shirt.
Not a t-shirt, but
it's
a
shirt. Fancy shirt. Yeah. Like, you know, it's like you have like those like nicer things, and then you have like dressy stuff. Right. So this is from Express. And it's just a white shirt with like these buttons on the sleeves. I don't know. Looks really nice. We just needed me and my sister just needed like a nicer, you know, like a shirt, a dressier shirt. So this is the first thing, and then the second thing,
this is really fire.
Okay, before I say anything, this is from Costco, and there's nothing wrong with shopping at Costco or Walmart or Target or anything. If you like the clothes that they have, and I understand not everyone has like money and stuff like that, and
it's like, okay. Walmart has really good clothes.
It's completely fine to shop at Walmart, Costco, Target. Everyone hates the places just because they're cheap. You also have to understand, you have to also look at your budget. So if you have a shirt on from Walmart and someone asks you, that's a cool shirt, where you buy it from, don't be afraid to say Walmart, because they shouldn't be judging you from where you buy the stuff. So this is from Costco. It's like a Sherpa half zip.
Quarter zip. Oh,
quarter zip. Fleece with pockets. It's from this brand soft. It's from this brand called Weatherproof. My dad actually has a pair of boots from them, and like I think like a sweater. So I know this brand, and I know it's like good quality. I think this was like $20. It's actually really cheap.
Also,
too.
Peep the shirt.
Yeah.
Peep the shirt.
So that's just a second pickup. All right, now to the actual thing that you guys have all been waiting for, the ASSC. All right, so since technically my brother did buy these, he is gonna open them. By the way, he is gonna be reselling them.
So if you guys want to buy any of them, DM me at this.
Well, we'll leave it at the link in the description below.
And our names are over here too. So.
Either his Instagram, we'll both link both of our Instagrams. So if you guys do want to buy these,
follow us, DM us, you know.
DM us, so we know that you are actually interested in buying stuff. So I'm very excited. I'm actually so tired. I've been awake since 7 because school has started. So, wait, can I see this? You start taking the stuff out. Okay. So, but wait. Does it say our
total? The total was $262.
Yeah, it's like 200 something bucks. That's a sick hoodie. Can I pull it out?
So the first hoodie.
We're just gonna say it. We bought 3 hoodies. Okay.
First hoodie is this SR. Ooh, oh my god, I just saw the next hoodie and I'm like, oh my god.
Okay, can you do you know where my phone is?
Fire. Here it is. Here's your phone.
But okay, can you pull it up on StockX so we can actually see it? Boom. ASSC right there. We actually can't take these out of the package because again, we're gonna be reselling them. And if we take them out,
Where's
they're gonna look like they won't be dead stock anymore.
Right.
This is sick.
This is really amazing.
This is a fire hoodie.
It just says SR88. It says ASSC, and it has this cool like out of space thing or in space theme. There's nothing on the back, but this is amazing.
They're like rockets.
Yeah, they're like rockets.
I'll do a close up while you pull it up. It is hard to see. No, wait, hold up. And it is a size medium, and it's just the colors on it look fire.
It's so amazing. So this is a size medium. And the low.
No. Just show the thing.
So this is basically how it looks. On the front, it just says the logo, and then on the back it says Anti-Social Social Club.
Like all the hoodies, but with that
dope font and that theme of outer space. It looks so amazing.
So cool. Alright. By the way, we're gonna be selling 2 of the 3 hoodies. One of them is his because he wants one.
Okay. So this one is so fire.
Pull it up on my phone.
Wait, no, you pull it up and I'll show it to them. Okay, so this one is my favorite one. It says Foreshadow on the front. This is the CPFM one, Cactus Plant Flea Market. And this is
right?
so fire, yeah. And so on the front, it just says Foreshadow, like it does right here.
Foreshadow.
And then on the back, I know you can't see it over here because we won't open the thing, but it says Foreshadow, but it says CPFM. XYZ, and on the side it says Anti-Social Social Club.
And it has that like
amazing.
dope,
I love it.
It's like a movie ticket.
Yeah, it's like I was about to say that. Yeah.
I think that's what it's supposed to be.
Yeah,
and it just looks so clean.
So
like,
amazing.
By the way, this is a size large. If anyone wants it, so I kind of want to keep it.
Right.
This is so sick. Although I will say ASSC is known for having horrible printing, so you have to dry clean all your hoodies, which sucks, but it's whatever.
But it's worth it.
This is so sick.
Okay, so the next one and the final one is this.
The one that he's gonna be keeping.
The one, but if you guys want, you can DM me. I will be selling this if somebody DMs it. This is an extra large. This isn't my size. It's a tag. Oh, it says Anti-Social Social Club. Oh, that's cool. So this is my side. I will keep them if nobody DMs them. No.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Oh. Okay. So it's just in black and white. It's just this Anti-Social Social Club.
So this is the
This is SF. Oh.
What is it? Spring 2020.
Spring, summer.
And basically on the back it says
like a really
Anti-Social Social Club in a simple hoodie, in a simple font. It's basically the basic one.
Right here. Boom. Yeah.
It's so cool. I love this.
So
actually, I will be selling this if somebody DMs me or if somebody buys it off of me. So I will be selling these. But if nobody buys it off me like a month or so, I will keep this.
I will say StockX does not have the fall winter version. This is the fall winter version. So 2020 obviously. For some reason, like the 2016 version, just throw it on the floor. The 2016 versions are like going for like retail, and the ones that just came out are like over $100.
Yeah. So if you want to buy it off of us.
So we have the Mind Games.
DM.
We have the CPFM, and what is this called again?
SR88.
This is probably the sickest one out of all.
This is probably the best one. I was about to get the undefeated one, but I didn't last minute. But if you guys just DM us if you guys wanna buy this off of us, we'll ship it to you for free.
No.
Yes, shipping is free if you buy this off of us.
Also, if you guys see stuff coming out, is because I do have all my school already set up, and I wasn't gonna just like put everything away because I do have school like tomorrow morning. I also have classes tomorrow morning. I start classes, so
look out for the video for my first day of school coming out soon, and Faiza's first day of school coming out soon.
Well, it already came out because this is gonna come out after this.
Oh right, yeah.
So
Faiza,
check that video out.
check
Link
that
in
out if you
description
haven't
below.
seen it. And then wait, you know, my first day of school video is about to come out then.
So the SR88 was a size medium in black. The CPFM X ASSC was also a black hoodie, but it's in the size large. And the Mind Games hoodie, which is also black, was in a size extra large.
So I have all sizes.
Well, except small.
Except small.
Yeah, so
These are so fire. I love
they're
this.
sick. So honestly, I won't lie. If no one buys this in within a month, you will catch him on his Instagram.
Wearing this, so go show some love if you see it.
Yeah.
Double tap it.
So, yeah, these are sick. Okay, I'll show you the thumbnail first.
Yeah, it's okay.
Or do you wanna like flip them?
Yeah.
And we should get a thumbnail.
Hold up.
We're gonna get a thumbnail real quick, and then we'll come back to you guys.
2, 1.
So again, we're gonna be selling these. Thank you all so much for watching today's video.
I hope you guys like it.
This is probably one of the most expensive unboxings we've ever done. So if you guys want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button.
Hit the bell so you know when we post. And if you do happen to catch some ASSC merch, take a picture and send it to us so we can feature it in our stories.
Yeah, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.